Good morning. It is Tuesday. It is our laundry, budgeting, and meal planning day. So I'm going to show you what my Tuesday routine looks like. Here you go. All right, every day starts with coffee, the word, and some worship. At least that's the goal. So every morning I try to make my bed before I leave my room. Happy. We try to get into the habit of getting dressed before breakfast. It just gets our day started on the right foot. Now off to breakfast, and today we are doing our simple yogurt and granola. Have you been eating all by yourself? You're doing a good job. Good job. We do vitamins after breakfast. I'm just going to start watering the lawn. Then it's time just to clean up after breakfast, get everything put away, and we'll be off to some nap and exercise. Oh yeah, don't forget to water your plants if you have them. So it is only, well, wow, time is flowing. And I she's ready. Yeah. Good night. If kids are fussy and crying, it's probably because they need more sleep. So it's just really good for their brains. It's good for their development, and it's just good for them. So it helps them to understand that sleep is a good thing. That was my side tip on napping. All right, guys, so step 4 in the daily morning routine is exercise, and that is obviously what I'm trying to do here. So I debated on showing you the whole hair and makeup process on a time lapse, but it is a huge part of staying at home. When do you get your makeup on? When do you get your hair done? Some people just cut it out and they just put their hair in a braid, and I do that a lot of days, or a messy bun. I just do that a lot of days. So here it is. You wait for 15 minutes. Sometimes we can feel guilty if we take time to do things like that for ourselves, but I'm going to mute myself and say it's important. So meal planning is going to be super easy. Folding my laundry is going to look super easy because I'm going to time lapse it for you, but it's like a huge ordeal. Usually I do all my laundry on my cleaning day, and then I fold it on Tuesday.
Hi.
How's your letters?
Want to see them?
Yeah, let's show it to them. So, okay, ready? See, point to them right here. Say A,
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, P,
L, M, N, O. Good job! No, Mom's gonna do some budgeting, okay? How I do my budgeting is I do what's called Every Dollar with Dave Ramsey. I can't show you me doing it because I use it on my phone, and I use my phone to video here. So, but what I would do is I would go onto my Every Dollar app, and I would put my here. So I update my Every Dollar app, and then I also go through my folders, my red, yellow, and blue folder that has my urgent, current, and then cold stuff. So I made a list of the things that are in this folder, to do to it this morning. But this is my list of things to do. So ideally I'll go through this every Tuesday and I will get things done that need to get done. List them in order of importance. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to work on it.
After that, I'll also write out my meals I'll plan to have for the week so that I can make my...
So this is my meal planning, how I decided to go about it, and just these are things we have on hand. Alright guys, we've got a load of laundry to fold. Alright guys, so that sort of folding is not for the faint of heart, but the nice thing is that you're done for the week. That was a lot of laundry. If you do it once a week, that's about what a family of 5 has to do. Okay guys, so I'm finishing up the bills that I had left earlier this morning. Done. Budgeting is on the docket as well.
So I'm finishing updating the EveryDollar app on my phone while the kids take a bath after supper.
Alright guys, so after the bath, it's bedtime. We do a worship song, we worship, we read a Bible story, and then we pray and send them off to bed.
The rest of the Israelites did not agree with Joshua and Caleb.
Lord, fill them with the truth of your word and guard them and hedge them in and protect them, and that you would teach them your ways and draw them towards yourself. In Jesus' name.
Okay guys, we're almost at the end of the day. So you saw me budgeting while the kids took a bath, and now I'm going to make my list for tomorrow's shopping or for my scheduled pickup. So let's do this.
Alright, so I'm just checking the pantry to see what we have on hand, and then also talking with Luke about the meals that we should have this week, encouraging him to have an opinion. And yes, that is tomato sauce on my shirt. Now, we're just making that list. Luke's working on work while I finish our shopping list.
What I'm going to be doing, I came up with this. I'm going to need a flour, peanut butter, vinegar, bread in. I'm going to let the kids pick the vegetable. Hey guys, so it's the end of the day. I still have some laundry to fold, but hey, it's okay. So you set these days aside to get specific things done so you don't have to do them the rest of the week, but they happen every week. Super helpful. So we did laundry today, we did meal planning today, and we did budgeting today. So there you go. There you have it. That's what my Tuesday looks like. I hope it's semi-encouraging to you. There's a lot of video that didn't get put, I didn't even video it. There's a lot of life that happened behind the camera of crying and friends dropping by and having coffee. So life happens, guys. Like, it's not just, you can't always just you have to be flexible with your routines. And you know what? God got us through everything we needed to get through today. So, and He will get you through everything you need to get through if you just put your trust in Him. Trust Him. Step by faith. He will provide, okay? All right. Okay, guys. I hope that's helpful. You have a wonderful day, and I will see you Wednesday.